As you can see, there's a couple of marks on the journal here. I just want to try and get those marks out, give the journals a bit of a polish up. They're, you know, a little bit grubby, a bit oily, but it's time to get them to clean up. We'll just bake a little bit of cutting compound on that. I did think about using valve lapping paste, but I think that might have been just a bit too coarse. I don't want to go that coarse with it. T-shirt material. Giving a bit of pressure on it, and that's not how I want it to be. I don't want that to be overlapped. You mongrel bastard. That's not too bad. I'll just give it a quick once over with a cleaner bit. There we go, that looks a bit better. Still got a few marks on it. Still these marks from the where it was sitting on the bearing, but you know, it is what it is. Now let's do this. Do this mine. Yeah, it looks a bit cleaner, a bit nicer. Alright, so I'll just go through the rest of them, and I'll get back to you when they're done. Oh, I just got a delivery. Poster just knocked on the door. I think this has come from Shake Resurgent. You beauty. Looks like I did. You ripper. Okay. Oh, there's some stickers. There we go. Shake Resurgent sticker. What have we got here? Ooh. Wow. There we go. When you meet the worst people, I wonder. I love it. Alright. Geez, they make 3XL in the US. It's freaking huge. But right, quick, it's only a week and a half since I ordered that. So, sweet guys, thanks. Well, there we go. Crank is as good as it's gonna get. Liberal amounts of assembly lube. There's an arrow on the top, points to the front. That's the front of the engine. This is the back of the engine. It's number 7, and we just screw it out. Right, now we're going to go 90 degrees. That's turning nice and free, just as it should. Good beauty.
It's like a family tree, part of you